civil servants and officials of our forces in future will think 10 times before going ahead with such exercises in larger national interest. And those who created and manufactured this falsehood have hurt India's larger security interests as a country. They must realize this. Thank you.
Thank you. We'll take a few questions. Okay, 254. Yeah, Parsa.
Parsa here. There is a lack of clarity in the government's policy because the IAF needs 126 planes, but this government has only taken 36, and there is no statement as to when they are going to replenish the rest of the force, which is what is required by the IAF. There is a certain tardiness compared even to it. The last government delayed it, but this government also does not seem to have taken any urgent action.
Well, there is no tardiness as far as the government is concerned. The government was concerned that at least 2 squadrons come forthwith. This is a way different from what happened in the past, which compelled the system to wait indefinitely till the cows came home and the enemy came to our borders.
There's an RFI already issued for while the UPA government's matrix for obtaining the total required number of fighter jets was that they will bring in 18 and then manufacture the rest here. They hadn't concluded either, but what we've done here, because of additional time being lost, instead of 1 squadron, which is 18, we've readily, in flyaway condition, bought 2 squadrons, which is why it is 36. But the rest will be produced as per a strategic partnership program for which the RFI has already been issued. So we have not forgotten the rest. For the full capability of Air Force, though that side of the work is already ongoing.
Vishnu. Yeah.
Ma'am, could you tell us a little bit about the procedure
which took place prior to the statement of intent by the Prime Minister in Paris? What was the procedure followed whereby we decided on that number of 36?
Well, the number 36, as I said, relates to 2 squadrons. The consultation with the Air Force, given the fact that more time was lost between 2009 and 2014, the consultation with the Air Force said that if there is a need and if quickly we can get flyaway condition, ideally at least 2 squadrons should be obtained. So on that basis, a number is correct.
2 squadrons is also the past precedence.
So we went to DHC and I just want to know about the body.
No. I want to emphasize, because you asked about how the number was arrived, I've given you an answer for that. As regards how that number, how many meetings, it's all available in public domain. Go to the website, you will get it all.
सर, मेरा सवाल ये है कि आज जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट का फैसला आ गया, इससे पहले हम लोग देखते थे कि राहुल गांधी लगातार राजनीतिक आरोप लगा रहे थे और प्रधानमंत्री चुप थे। आज फैसला आने के बाद आप लोगों की प्रधानमंत्री से मीटिंग भी हुई, बात भी हुई, तो वो कितनी राहत महसूस कर रहे थे या वो क्या कह रहे थे इन तमाम आरोपों को लेकर? और दूसरी बात कि हम लोगों ने देखा था कि जब चीफ जस्टिस दीपक मिश्रा कुछ फैसले देते थे जो सरकार के पक्ष में होते थे तो इम्पीचमेंट का प्रोसेस शुरू हुआ। क्या आपको अंदेशा है कि जस्टिस गोगोई को लेकर भी ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है?
देखिए, ये आपके दोनों प्रश्नों को उत्तर देने की इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आवश्यकता नहीं है।
35, yeah.
Even as we speak about the Supreme Court, the verdict which has come out today, the Congress maintains that they have not got any answers from the government. The answer is the government ready for a JPC or not?
Well, the deaf will never receive an answer. They can't hear it.
Lakshman.
सर, लक्ष्मण सीएनबीसी आवाज से। मेरा सवाल यह है कि अभी आपने कहा कि लार्जेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी में इस तरह की घटनाएं होती हैं तो इम्पीचमेंट की बात आती है, तो क्या सरकार या पार्टी की तरफ से राहुल गांधी के इस्तीफे की मांग आप लोग करेंगे सदन में? और दूसरा, कांग्रेस अभी भी अड़ी हुई है कि हम जेपीसी की मांग करते रहेंगे, तो क्या इस पर सरकार का रुख क्या रहने वाला?
देखिए, क्या किसी डील में भेदभाव हुआ? क्या उसमें प्रक्रिया फॉलो नहीं हुई? क्या देश के हित के साथ समझौता हुआ? क्या ये जो बेतुका सा एक बयान था 500 बनाम 1600, इसमें कुछ तथ्य था? सच्चाई ऐसे मामलों में न्यायिक प्रक्रिया से जानी जाती है, पार्टीशन बेसिस पे डिवाइड होके नहीं। जेपीसी के अनुभव ये हैं कि कई बार जेपीसी जब बैठती है तो पार्टी लाइंस पे लोग डिवाइड होते हैं। इन्वेस्टिगेशंस कैन नेवर बी डन एंड रिव्यूज ऑफ दिस काइंड कैन नेवर बी डन व्हेन एलिगेशंस आर देयर by only a body capable of partisan divisions. It has to be done by a judicial body.
Ashish. Sir, from the opposition, yes, sir. Ashish from Newsx. We have seen in several rallies and press conferences, the Congress President Rahul Gandhi has mentioned several figures from 500 odd crores to 600 odd crores to 708 crores.
तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट